Hello everyone, welcome back to class in physics, and I am here with this new topic, that is Lorentz force from chapter moving charges and magnetisms. Students, you are familiar about force due to electric field and force due to magnetic field, right? So we have seen that electric charge, whether it is electric field or whether it is magnetic field, experience a force, right? So the scientist and the physicist Lorentz did a lot of research on that, and he made many rules. He studied it, right? And these forces, uh, due to electrical field or magnetic field, or we can say electromagnetic forces. So finally, after so many experiments, he made many rules and studied it. So we also called these forces as known as Lorentz forces, right? So Lorentz force, nothing too special. There are two forces what we have already studied, right? So students, आप जानते हैं एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज किसी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में अगर मूव करेगा, राइट, तो फोर्स जनरेट करेगा, एक फोर्स जनरेट करेगा इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, राइट. तो व्हाट इज द फोर्स? एफ इज इक्वल टू क्यू ई, राइट, एंड द फोर्स इज the force is direction of electric field, right? If the force is negative, अगर आपका चार्ज नेगेटिव होता तो आपका फोर्स इन द डायरेक्शन, इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होता, राइट. इन इक्वेशन 1, इसको हम इक्वेशन 1 लेते हैं, ठीक है. एंड एक when the positive charge thrown in a region of magnetic field, then he will experience a force that is F is equals to Q V cross V, right? So F is perpendicular to velocity. Velocity means motion of charge particles, and perpendicular to the magnetic field. Okay. So we can here write that Fe, that is force of due to electric field, and the force of due to magnetic field, right? So force we have explained, जो हमने सेम एक्सप्लेन हमने यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. when a charged particle is thrown in a region under combined effect of uniform electric field and magnetic field, then it experience a force is given by F is equals to F net लिख लेंगे. we can write F net is equals to Fe plus Fm, right? Force due to electric field Fe QE, and force due to magnetic field Fm Q V क्रॉस V, where यहां लिख लेते हैं इसमें F इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ F फोर्स जो होगा आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स टूवर्ड्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ टूवर्ड्स इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, या and the force here, force Fm perpendicular to velocity and magnetic field, right? Because of multiplication vector rule, we know that we have studied already in class 10, right? Class 11, sorry, plus 1. So when we have algebraic sum of these forces, now the net force we will get now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, algebraic sum of these forces, that is F net, right? Fe plus Fm, okay. So these forces are called Lorentz force, right? What is the equations? F net is equals to Fe, that is QE, plus Fm, that is QV cross B. F net is equals to Qm. We will take common Q, that is E plus V cross V. So this is the formula, this is the expression of Lorentz force, right? So dear students, Lorentz force आपको क्लियर हुआ? What is the Lorentz force? It is the total force which are acting on charged particle on a electromagnetic force, yeah, you can say a combined of electric field and magnetic field. Both are present in a space, right? That is called Lorentz force.